the Lima French Electric locomotive. It growls and it runs, but it's got, you can hear the motor spinning to try and get away. It's got traction tires on. I've already undid the screws to release the body, but I think the problem here is that one of these wheels in the front bogie is extremely tight. So let us remove the front bogie and open that one up and see what we can do to decrease the drag. See, the contact has slipped out underneath it, and therefore it was dragging very badly on that axle. Let's fix that and clean it up at the same time. To again be using a bit of IPA. You can see the axle where the wiper touches is quite dirty, so polish that up nicely. And the other two axles, only one of them, it's a four-wheel pickup in a six-wheel bogie. The middle one does not make any contact. And then let us also clean this contact plate a little bit. That is actually was run a groove into that one. And on the other side. And let's see, this contact can also do with a bit of a clean, a little pivot pin. And then let's give all of this a little bit of switch cleaner, contact, electrical contact cleaner, so it cleans the contacts, improves conductivity. And the spring I put right here. Right. And let's take that wheel out. And let's put this wheel back. And let's put the other wheel that I've cleaned back. Just making sure that the insulated side is on the right side and the pickup side is on the right side. And then the other wheel does not worry about picking up. We'll put that one there. And then let's see if we can clip that in. Get all the wheels nicely into place and the cover plate. And let's screw the cover plate back in. And that should now be free rolling. Much better than it was. And it should be conducting power. that we can see once it's inside the locomotive. You see something seems a little bit off. Right, and then let's clean those wheels, especially the pickup sides, which is these ones. And just to keep the track clean, do the other side as well. And let's put that back into the chassis and see what performance that will now give us. This has got quite a heavy weight in it as well. The motor seems to be running fine. Also, it's got the pizza cutter wheels. Okay, that seemed to have done quite a bit for it. Just going to add a drop of oil to the motor bearing. And on that side. And that should be ready to roll. You can hear it is on the track, but the flanges are very, very big. So it tends to lift the locomotive off the track. And then on the body, there's a little bit of work to be done. This is an electric locomotive. The pantograph mountings are there, but the pantographs I have are slightly, shall I say, sitting too high. I need to take that little ridge off to bring the pantograph much lower to the body. So that will be done at a later stage, but this guy is running and not dragging anymore. So once the body is done, it will also be put up for sale. And here we have the French Lima locomotive running the rails. Just remove my DCC. Pizza cutter wheels are lifting it off the track a little bit, but all in all, not running badly.